about my bagel.
You forgot. When do you not forget about your bagel?
Shut the fuck up. It happens every now and again.
Alright, let's get into it. My package just came in the mail. It's a GoRuck GR2 34 liter in black with a sternum strap and a hip belt. Let's get to the unboxing. I'm really excited to have a look at it. Bring that up. Those fellas. Oh, she's a beauty. Actually, somewhat older than I wanted to be. It's a pretty good size. Alright, start with the bag and then we'll back there. Yeah. Sternum straps. This way. Go ahead. Alright, so here's me with the backpack on, with the hip strap as well, sternum strap. It's really comfy. I'll have to fill it out and see how that feels. Yeah, I think it's a good fit. Very minimalist, very sleek. Yeah, can't even see it from the front. Can't see it from the back. It's gorgeous. This thing's gonna hold everything I own. Alright, so as first impressions go, that was a pretty good one. This bag feels heavy, weighty, tough. These straps are huge. It looks and feels smaller than I expected. I expected something absolutely gargantuan, but I feel like this can still fit everything I needed to. I'm probably biased because my old laptop bag was a 17-inch laptop bag, so it's very close to this size. I have squeezed my 17-inch laptop in the back of this and it has fit, but my 17-inch laptop is actually small for its screen size, I guess. But yeah, I'll make a full review video and talk more about what I like. So far, comfortable to wear, suits all my needs. I probably won't need these much, but I like to protect my back, so actually, I'll leave them on. So that's it for my quick unboxing and first impressions of this bag. Please like if you thought I did a decent job in this video, and subscribe if you want to see more about travel equipment that I'm using and future travel gear and a longer video about this guy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.